Dwaro mamalo mar pien punda e pinje ma ugwe na achiel kuom gigo ma koro keto ngima lego kamarach e kinde ma kwan margi bende koro dok chien. Ma en kaluwore gi ripot ma ogol gi riwruok mar Brook East Africa ma oyango ni timbe mag pando pien punde kendo terogi e pinje ma oko osemedre gi kwan mamalo nyaka ne higa ne chakre. Moyangi jatend riwruogno Dr. Rafael Kinauti e romo mano kelo kanyakla jokanyo kod jotelo e sekta marito jamni mano bagi Naivasha kama nolero ni nitiere kembe mag ndege moseloro chenro matero mwandu mora ma oya kuom punda e pinje maoko kaluwore gi ohala moko ma itimo tok chik. Kaunti ma Kajiado kod Turkana motelo kit ohand pien punda ka koro ohand ring punda otimo newa e kaunti ma Nairobi kod Kiambu.
The Qatar Airways have banned any transportation of donkey skins or donkey skin product. Nobody in the world keeps donkeys for slaughter. Everybody keeps them for work. And also you need to take note that a lot of research from around the world have said the people who smuggle donkey skins also smuggle wildlife.
Allowing animals to move that actually are disguised as official documents but have been issued by quacks. And that is why this is where the Kenya Veterinary Board now comes in, because it will be very prudent that the documents of government are kept in safe custody. Because animals slaughtered in Kedong are taken to Nairobi, are taken to Nakuru.
And the safety of the foods of animal origin is paramount because it's really consumed. I think you heard about Nairobi being one of the main markets. If you go to a very well-established butchery, you will notice the meat is inspected and all the marks are clear. But most of these meat, you'll find it traded in the informal settlements. That takes almost 60% of the population of Nairobi. And if the population of Nairobi is about 5 million, 3 million people are exposed to uninspected meat. That